It's 6:02. I'm finding it hard to get up. My body hurts.
You always find it a little bit hard to get up.
Especially today. Also, we had some service, so my mom sent us some photos and videos of our cat Biscuit, and I miss her. And how on earth is there a mosquito up here right now? Why are there mosquitoes at 11,000 feet where we are currently? Why?
Colorado mosquitoes, they acclimatize, baby.
They're evil. They're surrounding me as I'm doing the video.
They know you're talking shit.
Good. I've killed brothers and sisters. We're doing it. We're doing the thing. Whew.
We are no longer in our world. We are in the land of the marmots. We must respect them.
Enemy
And
territory.
they will respect us. We are behind enemy lines. The mountain is just begging for me to get on all fours and summit it.
So we just ran into our first CDT, or Continental Divide Trail through hiker. Oh, dropped the mic. Because around this Georgia Pass that we just got up over is when we finally started sharing the trail with the CDT. So that's kind of cool. We'll start seeing some people with, I was gonna say trauma under their belt, but yeah, that too. The last fallen tree, there have been 3. I got boo boo. Straddling. Show off. We haven't seen hardly anyone all day.
It's been nice.
It's
But I think we're probably a half a day ahead of all of our friends that we made.
sad.
Well, we're going to take, that time off in Breckenridge, and they might not be, or maybe we run into them in town while doing chores,
It's 11:30. No, 11:20. We're like 8.5 miles in.
Oh, we're 9 miles.
9 miles. I dumped his water there. Traveling to my pack. So I had to make 2 different dams. You had smooth brain moment. No wrinkles.
Is useless dump. I don't know.
Smooth brain.
Smooth. That's a bunch of huskies. Oh, I heard about this place.
Oh my god.
It's a sled dog training farm. It's a husky farm.
I want to start the house so badly. I am fighting it so hard.
Just do it.
Do it. You do it.
No, I'm not gonna
Do it.
I'm not gonna. I hear a person.
I do too.
They're gonna know it's us. They're gonna find us.
Bro, it smells like every kind of animal.
Well, husky shit.
Crap.
See, that's a wolf.
Look at that.
Yeah, I remember reading the comments
Oh my
that was
God.
like, do not sleep next to this place. All night long.
So cute.
Sounds like they're doing a tour or something right now.
Choking on the sour. I have pretty much, since the AT, not really enjoyed candy as much. But I always love desserts. But this is different. Got all these flavors. And they actually kind of taste like it, yeah?
It's very berry.
Very berry.
Oh, nice.
And it's always like a fraction of what they would charge you if you went there.
Oh, that's nice.
But I typed in everything.
The guy who was walking ahead of us, we saw at, when we went backwards to Bailey, he was just starting. what was it? It was like segment 4. When we were seeing him today, hauling ass. He was also saying he had like developed some blisters. I was like, yeah, of course you did. If you're like doing a segment and a half or 2 yesterday and getting to Breckenridge today. We are 13 miles from Breckenridge right now. Beast of a man. This is Swan Lake. Swan Lake, Swan River. He's gonna fish. We're gonna get some water, and I think we're gonna go a little bit further. It's lunchtime. I'm so hungry. I haven't really had a real meal all day. And also, our fuel canisters, both his and mine, are not working at all. They have not been working for 2 days now. I don't know if it's the elevation with this particular brand. This is the GSI. This nice lady and her hiking partner are soaking their feet in this river and are letting us borrow hers. We gotta get some tomorrow. I don't like cold soaking. Bad news at 3:15. We have to go another 2 miles.
At least.
At least.
Hopefully at most.
There's not one campsite here. Not at all.
There she is.
Oh no.
That's 3 liters of water.
There are clouds forming above my head, leaving small droplets. I have a Guam with Scooby-Doo gummy snacks. The yellow is Fred, the purple is Daphne, the orange is Velma, the blue is Scooby, and green is the van. Where is Shaggy? Why is he never in these?
So can I throw one at you or not?
You may throw only one.
A singular. You gotta be ready.
Okay.
It's gonna be a real nice, gentle throw.
Okay.
I was way right.
Ew!
Right.
That's your only one, and I get to keep. Okay, I have been shown the whole gang.
We found him.
He's darker purple, and this is pinky red.
This is just red.
Stop.
This is just red.
And
There's
as
no
soon as
purple.
You said that, it started raining.
Mm.
This is the third storm, and it is now hailing.
Would you like some ice?
Some ice.
Some ice.
It doesn't want to focus.
not focusing.
There it is. Damn.
Wow.
So much for that storm's not coming towards us.
It was over there.
That doesn't look over there.
Dude, this guy just passed us like 5 minutes ago.
He's gonna have a miserable time.
That poor. He should come back. There's another campsite right here.
Right.